you know doctors used to think your appendix was complete garbage? They thought it served absolutely no purpose. But scientists were completely wrong about this tiny organ. For over 150 years, surgeons removed appendixes without hesitation. Patients did fine without them. So doctors assumed the appendix was just an evolutionary leftover we didn't need anymore. Your appendix is actually a small tube about the size of your pinky finger. It's tucked where your small intestine connects to your large intestine, specifically at the bottom right of your belly. Scientists asked, why would evolution keep an organ for 40 million years if nobody needed it? That's a really good question. Something didn't add up about the useless organ theory. And researchers at Duke University made a huge discovery in the 2010s. They discovered your appendix is actually a backup storage system for bacteria. This completely changed everything we thought. The large intestine is filled with trillions of helpful bacteria. These bacteria help you digest food and stay healthy. But sometimes bad things happen to these good bacteria. You eat bad food or get a stomach bug, the bad bacteria can wipe out your helpful bacteria. Your stomach feels awful. Your digestion completely breaks down. Here's the genius part. Your appendix keeps some backup bacteria safe inside a special mucus lining. Scientists call this a biofilm. It's like a safety deposit box for your bacteria. After your stomach recovers, those backup bacteria leave the appendix hideout. They repopulate your large intestine, your digestion gets back to normal, and you feel healthy again. It like your gut bacteria having an emergency backup plan. Your appendix is basically a safety deposit box. It's there to save you when everything goes wrong. Scientists found even more cool things about the appendix. It contains special immune tissue that fights bad bacteria. It helps train your immune system to stay strong. The appendix also helps maintain the balance of bacteria in your intestines. It's like a quality control inspector for your gut ecosystem. It keeps everything in perfect balance. People without appendixes can live totally healthy lives, but research shows they have slightly more digestive problems. The appendix definitely helps, even if you can survive without it. Let's use a fun analogy to understand this better. Imagine your gut bacteria are your best friend group at school. Everything is great when they're all together in the cafeteria. Then, boom, you eat a sketchy hot dog and get food poisoning. All your best friends get sick and can't come to school. Everything falls apart without them. You feel absolutely miserable and can't do anything. Your digestion is broken. Nothing works without your friend group helping you. But wait, you have a backup group chat with a few friends who stayed home. They're safely tucked away in the appendix hideout. These are your emergency contact bacteria. Backup friends slowly come back to school. They gather in the cafeteria again. Your whole friend group reunites and everything returns to normal. Digestion works again. You feel better. Your gut bacteria ecosystem is restored to full health. Thanks, Appendix Backup Squad's analogy perfectly explains why your appendix is so important. It's not garbage at all. It's actually a genius evolutionary backup system. Scientists are still discovering new things about the appendix. It might do even more things we haven't figured out yet. This is why science is always evolving. The story of the appendix teaches us something important about science. Scientists can be wrong for a really long time. New research and better tools help us discover the truth. For 150 years, smart people got this wrong. It wasn't until technology improved that we understood the appendix. That's actually really cool and shows how science works. Your appendix is just one example of how amazing your body really is. You have backup systems for backup systems. Your body is way cooler than you probably thought. Evolution gave us this tiny organ for a reason. It kept us alive through millions of years of history. And now we finally understand why it was so important. Never underestimate the small systems in your body. Sometimes the smallest parts do the biggest jobs. Your appendix is proof of that fact. So, the next time someone says the appendix is useless, you can correct them. Tell them it's actually a life-saving backup system. You now know the truth that scientists discovered. This discovery shows us that curiosity never ends in science. There are probably more secrets hidden inside your body. Scientists will keep discovering amazing things about how you work. Your appendix saved humans for millions of years. Thanks to modern research, we finally understand its true purpose. That's an incredible scientific discovery everyone should know about. Have you had your appendix removed? Comment below and tell us if you noticed any digestive changes. We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for learning about your amazing body with us today.